From the Bob Mills Weather Center, the Oklahoma weather expert, Alan Crone.
Okay, this is a slowly developing system, so a lot of folks will look outside, and remember, this is really going to get cranked up later this afternoon tonight for the afternoon, about 3, 4, 5 o'clock, and also later tonight. This morning, we're on the verge of some slick spots across northern Oklahoma. The temperature's right at or even below freezing in spots. Here's Tim Crone, for example. He's in the Skytook area. Temperature is below freezing here for our northern sections of Tulsa County into Osage County. We have very light precipitation, and you can see when you a little bit of glaze there on the roadway. The road itself is going to be fine, but once you get into those elevated surfaces, you could quickly have a slick spot or two. So kind of let you know, especially across the northern areas this morning, some slick spots on elevated surfaces will start to become a little more noticeable. 33 officially Tulsa, wind chill 23, north winds 15 to 25. It's a very brisk morning here with that strong wind. So the temperature in the metro is still slightly above freezing. The wind chills are into the 20s. Areas to the north, that's the freezing line. So again, right around the Skytook area northward, 29 already Pawnee, 26 Pawhuska, 28 in Bartlesville, 30 in Veneta. Now, southern Oklahoma, it's not until later this afternoon and tonight that you're going to drop below freezing, and you're going to have the potential for some freezing rain. We have wind chill values this morning in the teens. So 25 for the afternoon. The high's already been reached for the morning hours. So let me show you the big radar. And you can see these winter storm warnings go all the way across portions of southern Oklahoma to North Texas. The colder air is already producing snow this morning near Ponca City North into Wichita. And we have just a very light precipitation right now across our immediate area. Here's Tulsa and Sperry, light showers. And then to the north around northern Osage County, that's already flipped over to some light snow here. And then also a little bit near and north of Bartlesville into Coffeyville and Independence. The Craig County area, that is some wintry mix that's underway. A little bit of sleet, freezing rain into that area. Areas to the south, again, if you have any precipitation, that's just going to fall in the form of some light showers. Now, let me show you in the metro. We're at 32 to 33 now. By 7 o'clock, we're below freezing, and we still have some light precipitation nearby, so remain aware for the slick spot. Around the 10 o'clock hour, the temperature's at 28. Our probability goes down, goes low between 10 and noon. And then after the 3, 4, and 5 o'clock hour, that's when it ramps back up. It's going to be this time period for later this afternoon and tonight. That's when you're going to notice more of the sleet and snow with the heavier amounts that are going to start to move in. So let me show you the different timeline here, kind of get a different perspective. This morning, freezing rain mix underway. We get a break at midday, and then the heavier snow bands and sleet bands mixing in late this afternoon and tonight. Accumulation processes, again, we haven't changed too much from what Travis and Stacia had last night. Still a higher probability it's going to be around the metro northward into this area. Purple, that could be around 6, 7 inches. Top end possibly 8. And again, I know everybody always looks at the top end, but we might not get into that top end here. The southern areas, Old Mulgee, Muskogee, and Tahlequah, that's going to be between 4 to 6. There could be quite a bit of sleet mixed in when that right around the Muskogee and Tahlequah area later this afternoon. Obviously not this morning. Areas to the south, you'll have lower amounts because this is the area that will have some higher icing amounts. So the only change we've made compared really to yesterday is we've taken this area near I-35 and kind of dropped that back down into that 4, 5, and 6 category. The icing issues, we could have a light glaze this morning through the entire event across the northern areas. It's this region on both sides of I-40 and especially far southeastern Oklahoma. Once you get into southern Pittsburgh, Lattimore, LeFlore County, southward, 1/4 of an inch of ice late this afternoon and evening is a possibility. Here's what it looks like at Jinx right now. So let me show you the computer model here. So we get into the 3, 4, and 5 o'clock hour. This is when that next batch of heavier sleet and snow starts to develop. The temperature in southern Oklahoma is still above freezing here. But from the metro north, we're going through that process of changing that. And then into the snow bands late tonight, early tomorrow. So this is going to be while you're sleeping late tonight, early tomorrow. That's the heavier snow bands. Still some icing in far southern Oklahoma. Tomorrow morning, we'll have some light snow showers nearby with a temperature near 14. And then the snow will gradually diminish through the day. So technically, I've lowered the probability for Thursday afternoon. There will be some light snow, but it won't be too significant, and a high of 22. Friday, the morning low 9 and a high of 26. Some flurries early Friday, and then sunshine Friday afternoon. Saturday 32, Sunday 39, 40s and 50s. Monday and Tuesday, a slowly developing winter system underway. Winter storm warnings.
Thank you, Alan.